Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair, and today I'm opening a package from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I'm thinking of that joke that Jay used to tell, that he was in the Beyond section. It's so funny. I'm going to put his name at the bottom because I can't think of his last name. But he used to come on our show, Cartoon Dump, and he used to be a guest comedian every now and then. And he just is so funny. I know you've seen him on TV because he used to do that comedian competition they had. I can't remember the name of that show either. I have pandemic brain, I guess. You know, when you just can't remember things like that. But I will put it in the details so that you can look it up because you don't want to miss it. He's so funny. But this is not from the Beyond section. This package is from Bed Bath & Beyond, not from the Beyond section, but maybe from the Beyond section because it is not a towel or a bed or a duvet. It is in the box. Let's open it now. Let's tilt this sucker down so you can watch me open it. So much fun! Where is my my opening scissors? Okay, here they are. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, bubble wrap today. Always those 20% off coupons. Ah. So this shampoo is the Brazillian Blowout shampoo, and as you know, I did not do the Bazillian Blowout when I did my straightener. I just used the K something. I'll link it in there at the bottom, but oh, look at this. It's like stuck together. Okay, very good. So here's what I got. It is a new color guard, a Psy anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner from Brazilian Blowout. So this is how my hair is, and I wanted to know if this straightener shampoo is a straightener shampoo or not. I do not know if it is or isn't, or if it's just something that you use after you use their blowout thing. I'm not going to do their blowout because my hair, I feel like it's already kind of, I'm good with where it's at right now, and I just want to keep it healthy, but I still want some smoothing. So I want to try these and see if they give me some extra smoothing just from shampoo and conditioner. So this is the results, and it looks really straight, and I really didn't put much effort into the blow dry. See how it's just kind of, I like it. Good job. I can't believe what a dramatic difference using this versus my usual shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, it's just really straight. So I wanted you to see the end result, which is really smooth and really straight, just from shampoo and conditioner. I love it. So you can see the results. I'm doing like way up into the camera so you can see that it's super easy to comb through, and it's really, really straight. And this is just a shampoo and conditioner. Wow, it's pretty good results. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.